I have here Absidy Beauty Base Complexion Blur Translucent Perfecting Powder. I'm in the shade Oat. When you open the product, you have a mirror there, the product itself, and a puff. Seeing how it sets my under eye, yes, it is a bit blurry, but I must say parang hindi sila compatible nung first place. May pamumuo nang nagaganap somewhere here. I'm going to use my normal brush na ginagamit ko talaga for my under eyes. Now, I'm going to dip my brush. I'm going to top off the excess. I get it. Walang problema sa powder kasi nung sinet ko na tong part na to, I don't have any pores there, mas naging smooth yung application ng powder. So I guess it's because of my pores. Hindi ko pa masabi na gusto ko siya, hindi ko masabi na hindi ko siya gusto.